Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video from Sailing Prosperity. The storm is now over, so we are leaving Mandal for a couple of hours of sailing towards Kristiansand. This will be our departure location for when I will be crossing Skagerak alone with 2 kids. Our plan for tonight is to anchor outside Flekkerøya, which will save us around 1 hour compared to if we were docked in Kristiansand. Although I have great sailing experience and knowledge to do this crossing, and I have done it all alone before, I have recently had some health issues that makes me evaluate this crossing extra much, especially since I have 2 of my kids on board with me. And we have decided, as long as we reach this weather window, which we will have tomorrow, before the wind blows up again, we think this will go fine, and the kids are very well prepared for the crossing that we are about to have. We started out motoring the first hour from Mandal, since we have to navigate a lot of narrow passages between the islands. We chose this route because we wanted to stay out of open seas and of course the magic scenery when we sail this route. Går det bra?
Ja.
Ja. Her står det at det er 5 knopp, så vi må sette ned farten litt.
Oh.
Jeg er nødt til å styre litt, tror jeg.
Ja. Ha det!
Ha det! Nesten få se når du spiser litt av den gode chipsen.
Den her.
Ja.
Jeg gruer meg, jeg har spist det før.
Det er godt?
Ja.
Ja. Hva er det der står? Hot chili pepper.
Og inni. Vi må vise inni.
Ja, den er også sterk den, ja.
Vi må vise inni. Kom og se inni.
Wow. Ja, bare nyt den. Bare ta hele i munnen. Det er best sånn. Ok.
Du må filme deg selv da. Nei, det kan du ikke.
Den er jo godt. Den kan bruke Få se på tunga. Den blå tunga.
Jeg har bare
Det var. I mean it really. Look at this scenery. South coast of Norway is absolutely lovely. When you go in between the islands and in the fjords, you get to get close up to the cottages and the houses all day when you're sailing along. Please give us a comment below if you know other places that has this scenery, because I just absolutely love it. Beautiful nature, calm seas, and soon we will have enough wind so we can just put out the sail the rest of the distance, and we will reach Flekkerøya in about 1 to 1.5 hours from now. Then we will anchor up and go to do some swimming, which I'm really looking forward to after this trip. Getting further away from the mainland. That means that with this wind that we have around 18-20 knots, the swells are getting a bit bigger, so the boat is starting to rolling and the kids have gone downstairs to play downstairs. But still there are some islands that we have to navigate through to get to our final destination. Finally we are between some groups of islands. The waves are getting small again, and we're just drifting along with the nice calm wind. Starting to think about tomorrow. We'll actually be getting up around 4 a.m, so that's quite early for us. So we get a quick start on the crossing of Skagerak. I think that will go okay. You just have to be mentally prepared for it. Bli klar for å komme frem nå, Selina? Kunne du bli klar for å komme frem?
Ja.
Ja, ikke lenge igjen nå.
Hallo.
Hallo. Hvor du står henne?
Jeg står på bordet.
Ok. Noe trangt her å seile, men det har vært mange plasser før. Der fløy det en sommerfugl forbi oss.
Ja, kult!
Så nå er du litt i veien her for utsikten, men ja, skal vi komme unna der. Fint. Det er et par og 20 grader i lufta, og temperaturen i sjøen er kommet opp i 14 grader.
Det er så varmt nå. Jeg har veldig lyst til å bare hoppe ut av den. Eller skal jeg dra? Slippe?
Nei, det er beskjed. Du kan løsne og dra på med den beste seg. Den som du skulle holde smak, den er best seg.
Ja. Åja. Nei, det tror jeg ikke.
Du kan hoppe først. Det er jo en kjempetanke, synes jeg.
Nei.
Du har jo det du trenger. Det var litt digg, men nå er det kaldt. Det er 14 grader.
Bruk norske kroner der det er straks.
Du bader før det der uværet kommer bort til oss. Ja, du får dykke litt.
Hallo.
Ja.
Okay.
Remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the video and want to see more from us. In the next video I will try to cross Skagerak alone with the kids. See you again soon.